Hello traders, today we will take few trades. We have opened a OTC pair. If you check, I will start the trade from the next candle. If you check, overall we have a seller's momentum. This is my level. Just now market is came to the level. So you should check here what is the points you should trade. Here I have gone with sellers. Why? Because here left side you have both levels. If you check, one, we have a momentum. Two, second thing, we have a two retracements. At least we can expect one seller's candle over here. So that's the reason I have taken with sellers here. If you check in the top, you will understand market is making an M pattern. If you look clearly, so market is trying to go down. So you may consider these all points to go with the sellers here. Okay. Here we have only two levels, horizontal levels, which I have plotted here. You may understand clearly. Okay, can you predict what is the next candle here? Here the sellers are getting stronger. Okay, finally we have sellers here. If you check, now we can go with buyers. Why? Because previous, if you check, the market is at the level. It was didn't respect anything. It was in the level. So market will move in the sideways. So at least I can expect one buyer's candle here. Why? Because second point, previous level is an SNR. So market is coming from an SNR. That's why you have got two strong buyer's candle. So that's why we can again go with buyers here. So you should check these kind of points. Then you can understand the market clearly. Okay, here if you check, the buyers are getting stronger. Okay, finally we have got buyers here. Okay, can you explain what is the next candle? If you check here, the market has closed exact at the level. If you check previous, the level is a SNR level. SNR means we can enter both the sides, both the candles. So here we can go with sellers here. Why? Because just now the candle, previous candle, which was closed exact at the level and which was a reversal sign. So you can easily go with sellers here. So you should think in this way only. Why? Because market wants to go down. You should understand these kind of points. Then only you can understand the market. So that's why I have gone with sellers here. If you really have any doubts, take a screenshot, send it to my Telegram. I will reply you. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle here? As I said before, previously I have plotted two levels. Just now the market has been breakout the level. Breakout means who will enter? Easily buyers will enter. And even I have a second point to go with buyers. It is an SNR level. If you check here, previous we got a seller's entry. Again we got a buyer's entry. So you can easily go with buyers here. So that's why I have taken with buying candle. So maximum try to take trades with valid points only. Don't go blind. Here if you check, every candle is at the levels only. So that's why I have cleared you the point. Every time it is respected. Just now the level breakout. These all the points I have been said you. So that's why try to trade when the market is at levels. Then you will understand the market clearly. Okay, here if you check, last four candles as of now you got what is the pattern? Green red pattern. So maybe I have a doubt here, so I could go for one candle because now there is no level. Just now market has been breakout and re-entered into the level. Maybe I will go with sellers here with margin of safety. If it is wrong, I will check the next level and I will trade easily. Okay, so as of now I have taken with sellers candle because I have two. One is a pattern, second thing is a downtrend. So I have taken these two confirmations to go with the sellers. Let's see market how it will react. Whenever You got points, then only trade. Don't trade blindly. Why? Because you may end up with losses. So try to trade with valid points. In the end, I will show you my history also. Try to watch up to the end because you may get new points also. Okay, finally here we got buyers. It's okay. Can you predict what is the next candle? If you check, just now market has been gap up and opened exactly at the seller's level. So who may enter? Just now market has entered into a seller's level. So easily you can go with selling candle. So I can go easily with selling candle. That's why I have taken trades. Nowadays in the OTC market, the gap is most common thing. So try to trade after minimum 10 seconds because the candle is just gap up. So that's why you should understand these kind of points. Why? Because the entries will be perfect otherwise. So try to trade in this way, then only you can win easily. Okay, here I have a confusion in this chart. If after this candle I will try to change the pair. Okay, let me check another pair if anything I got means. 1 second. Okay, where is the Euro USD? I think most of the pairs are OTC pairs. Okay, let me type for it because all the pairs are OTC pairs. Okay, let me type for it Euro USD. Okay, finally I got it. Okay, in this chart if you notice we can follow the momentum, but I got a time is completed, so if I could there means I will definitely go with buyers. Why? Because I could have follow the momentum. If you check here, still there is a gap for the level, so that's why we can easily go with buyers here. But let it be, the time has been completed, so we'll take trade from the next candle. If you check, market wants to go up. Here I will show you a valid example, but it is a 50-50. Let me show you here. First of all, this trade is very complicated. One, it is a strong seller's area on the left side. Second thing, we have a reversal sign, but we have a strong momentum too. Both are strong and we have a reversal sign. So if possible, I will go with sellers here. Most of the case it will reverse. Sometimes it will break and it will reverse. Maybe I will say the momentum will break easily, but left side also you have a that much strong candle. So I have waited for the margin of safety, even I don't get it. Let it be. This is a 50-50 trade. If it is loss, I will recover in the next candle. It's not a big problem for me. Here if you check, both are weak and both are strong. So that's the reason only I have 50-50 chances. Okay, let's see what will happen. Here both are fighting strong. Okay, finally the buyers are getting lead over here. Okay, still sellers. Okay, at last in the 2 seconds the buyers have entered. So now I can finally officially go with sellers here. Why? Because as I said before, after breakout left side you have a strong area. Who will enter? Easily you can go with selling for one candle at least. So that's why I have taken trade with sellers here. So try to trade with valid points only, then only you may win easily. Okay, here you are getting sellers entry. Okay, finally the sellers are getting entered here. Okay, let's see whether we have entry points or not. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can message me in Telegram. If you are interested to join our premium course, yeah, you can message and know the details and all. Okay, finally we got sellers entered. Okay, finally we got win. Okay, what is the next candle? Here I have said you this point so many times. One, the market wants to go up. Second thing, we have a strong momentum. Third thing, just now one candle can't stop the momentum. So these all points we can go with buyers. So try to trade with valid points only. Here you can check my history also. Okay, we'll take 2 more trades here. Okay, finally the buyers are getting strong. Maybe it is an OTC previous, that's why the entry points are getting late. Even here also there is a fast momentum somewhat, so that's why we are getting somewhat late entry points. Try to make good entries, then only easily you can win. Okay, let's see what will happen here. This is a only seller's area, it's only resistance. Let's see. Okay, finally the candle has been buyers. Okay, but if you notice here clearly, I will go with sellers. Why? Because the candle just now gap down, it has been opened. Have you understand? Gap down, it was opened exact at the resistance area. Resistance means who will come? As expected, sellers will enter. So we can go with selling only. Okay, minor. Okay, let it be. What will happen? Let's see. But it's a selling candle only. So that's why I said you before only. Try to understand the points clearly. Check the levels clearly. Draw the levels perfectly. Then only you can understand. Even if it is loss also, you will understand why it is loss, where you have done anything wrong. So that's why try to place levels at clarity. So finally we got win at our predictions, but our entry point make no loss, no win. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle? Just now the market has been entered from a strong selling area. You can go with sellers here. I don't have any entry point as of now. Okay, if possible, let it come down. I will take for the rejection for the buying trade, but it will be a seller's candle. Okay, the time is getting completed, so that's why I have taken trade for buyers, but the present candle will be seller's candle. Why? Because market is coming from a resistance area. You can go with sellers only. So I don't have entry point, so that's why with the favor of rejection only I have taken buying trade, but the prediction is selling candle. Okay, finally. Oh, again no loss, no win. Today is my luck, I think. I don't know. Okay, still there is a gap. I could go with sellers continuation easily. Okay, but maximum this third candle will be a doubt 50-50. Why? Because every level in the back side anything will come and it will make at least one buyer's candle, but I'm trusting this kind of candles and going blindly. Why? Because here you need one more last trade. This is the last trade. If this is win, I will close the session. If it is not, I will take one more trade and I will close the session. Okay, here the sellers are getting stronger. Okay, finally we got here buyers strong. So that's why we should check every time whether we have levels or not. Even there is a rejections only, but it has been counted as a rejections. Okay, let it be. Okay, as I said before, now you can go officially with sellers. Why? Because in the middle you may get one or two retracements which are common. Even there is a level also, it will take one or two retracements, but finally we can go with sellers here because left side there is a no strong level also. So that's why I didn't want to go one more retracement. Easily we can go with sellers here. Even this time my entry point is also perfect. If it is a red candle also, we can win easily. So try to trade with valid points only. If you have any doubts, you can message me in Telegram. Even if you are interested in the course also, you can message me in Telegram. Try to trade at the valid levels only. Okay, finally the sellers are getting stronger here. Okay, finally we are win. Okay, I think I have taken 10 more sessions. Okay, if you see, you can check my history also. Okay, then thank you.